going to be partnering up with WoWEbony to show you all 60 lace frontal unit, and this is in the inches 24, I believe, or 26, 24 or 26, one of those. We'll leave all of the hair details in the description box below, so definitely double check. Okay, cute. I feel like I look like Aaliyah or some shit. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you all enjoyed it and I hope you all learned something new. I hope one of y'all out there can take some of my tips and tricks and apply them to your makeup routine to make your wigs look as best as possible.